Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate dipping sauce for strawberries using an easy method. This delightful sauce comes together quickly with just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite chocolate, whether it's milk, dark, or semi-sweet. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of rich heavy cream to achieve that perfect consistency. And of course, a generous pound of fresh, ripe strawberries awaits its delicious coating. Now let's get that chocolate perfectly melted. First, chop your 8 ounces of chocolate into small, uniform pieces. This helps it melt evenly. Place the chopped chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it in the microwave for 30-second intervals, stirring thoroughly after each one. Continue this process until the chocolate is mostly melted and smooth. Remember, gentle heat is key to prevent scorching and ensure a silky texture. Once your chocolate is melted, it's time to achieve that irresistible creamy consistency. Add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream to the warm chocolate. Stir continuously until the mixture is completely smooth, glossy, and beautifully uniform. The cream not only adds a luxurious richness, but also helps the sauce adhere perfectly to your strawberries. If it seems too thick, you can add another half tablespoon of cream, stirring well. With your luscious chocolate sauce ready, it's time for the best part, dipping. Ensure your fresh strawberries are washed and completely dry. Moisture can cause the chocolate to seize. Hold each strawberry by its stem and gently dip it into the warm, smooth sauce. Allow any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl for a clean finish. Place your dipped strawberries on a sheet of parchment paper to set for about 15 minutes, then enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.